In the summer of 1977, humanity embarked on an extraordinary journey beyond the boundaries of our home planet. Two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were launched into the vast expanse of space, each with a remarkable mission. It was a time filled with excitement and anticipation as people around the world gathered to witness history being made. The launch of these robotic pioneers captured global attention as they set off on a voyage unlike any before, tasked with exploring the outer reaches of our solar system, and beyond. The Voyager missions carried with them the hopes and dreams of a generation eager to expand the horizons of human knowledge. These spacecraft were marvels of engineering, crafted to endure the unforgiving environment of deep space. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, they revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, offering insights that were once beyond imagination. Behind their success stood dedicated teams of scientists and engineers who invested countless hours into the mission. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 quickly became symbols of inspiration, igniting wonder in millions who eagerly followed their progress. News reports and scientific journals chronicled their incredible odyssey, while people everywhere gazed skyward, dreaming of distant worlds. This was a defining leap for humankind, pushing the frontiers of exploration farther than ever before. The primary objective of the mission was to study Jupiter and Saturn, the gas giants of our solar system. Scientists were eager to unravel their mysteries, focusing on their composition, atmospheres, and powerful magnetospheres. To achieve this, the Voyager spacecraft were outfitted with sophisticated scientific instruments designed for an unprecedented close-up examination of these distant worlds. As Voyager approached Jupiter, it began transmitting back stunning images, revealing breathtaking details. The spacecraft captured the planet's swirling cloud bands and the iconic Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Voyager delivered the first detailed views of this colossal vortex, exposing its turbulent winds and dynamic atmosphere, a testament to nature's raw power. The flyby also led to one of the mission's most groundbreaking discoveries, active volcanoes on Io, one of Jupiter's moons. Until then, volcanic activity beyond Earth was purely theoretical. Voyager's revelation of Io's fiery landscape reshaped planetary science, proving that geological activity extended far beyond our planet. After Jupiter, the spacecraft set their sights on Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Voyager delivered exquisite images of Saturn's iconic rings, revealing their intricate structure in unprecedented detail. Far from being solid bands, the rings were found to consist of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to large boulders. These images showcased the complexity of the rings, which are composed of numerous ringlets, each with distinct characteristics. Voyager also discovered new moons, adding to the growing picture of a dynamic and diverse planetary system. To navigate this ambitious path, Voyager relied on a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years. This cosmic window enabled the spacecraft to employ gravity-assist maneuvers, using the gravity of each planet to slingshot toward the next destination, conserving fuel while accelerating their journey. This ingenious method, expertly calculated by mission planners, made the mission possible. The gravity assists were essential to Voyager's success, allowing it to visit multiple planets within a limited time frame. These maneuvers not only extended the mission's capabilities but also provided a treasure trove of data and images, demonstrating the brilliance of the teams behind every calculation. The Voyager missions were a triumph of human ingenuity, a shining example of what can be accomplished through global collaboration and unwavering dedication. Scientists and engineers from around the world united, setting aside political differences in pursuit of knowledge and exploration. Built to endure the extreme conditions of space, the Voyager spacecraft have far surpassed their intended lifespans, continuing to operate for over 4 decades. They remain resilient, sending back valuable data from the farthest reaches of space, a testament to the vision and perseverance of their creators. Beyond the technical feats, Voyager ignited a passion for space exploration, inspiring generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It reminded us all that when humanity dares to dream big and push the boundaries of possibility, incredible discoveries await. After successfully completing their initial mission objectives, both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 pressed on, venturing farther than anyone had once imagined. In 2012, Voyager 1 made history by crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the influence of our sun's solar wind gives way to the environment of interstellar space. This moment marked the first time a human-made object had exited the protective bubble of the solar system, and entered the interstellar medium. It was a monumental achievement, not just for science, but for humanity as a whole. Voyager 2, following a different trajectory, achieved the same feat in 2018, reaffirming that human curiosity could pierce the veil of the unknown. Interstellar space, far beyond the planets and the faint glow of the sun, is a realm unlike any other. It is a domain of near absolute darkness and biting cold, where cosmic rays zip across the void, and charged particles drift aimlessly between the stars. The data collected by the Voyager spacecraft in this unfamiliar environment has allowed scientists to understand the conditions that prevail between star systems, expanding our knowledge of galactic processes and space weather. Despite being over 12 billion miles away, the Voyagers continue to relay signals back to Earth, transmitting precious information about magnetic fields, particle densities, and cosmic radiation. Each bit of data brings us closer to comprehending the dynamic and complex nature of the Milky Way. For engineers and scientists, these ongoing transmissions are nothing short of a marvel, proof that meticulous planning and resilient engineering can defy expectations. But the Voyager mission is not solely a scientific triumph, it is also a profound human story. Both spacecraft carry with them the golden records, copper phonograph discs encased in protective aluminium jackets. These records are more than scientific artifacts, they are messages of hope, culture, and identity, curated by a dedicated team led by Carl Sagan. Inside, they hold a selection of sounds and images carefully chosen to represent the diversity of life on Earth. From greetings in 55 different languages to the sounds of whales, laughter, and Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, these records encapsulate humanity's essence, our art, science, emotions, and dreams. The golden records serve as an offering to the unknown, an attempt to tell the story of a small planet orbiting a modest star, should the Voyagers ever encounter intelligent life elsewhere in the galaxy. Even if no one ever finds them, their existence affirms our desire to communicate and connect beyond our world. The legacy of the Voyager missions extends far beyond planetary science. These spacecraft have sparked inspiration across disciplines, from science and engineering to art, philosophy, and literature. They remind us that exploration is deeply ingrained in our species. The breathtaking images of Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's intricate rings, and Uranus' icy blue hue, all captured by Voyager, have inspired generations to pursue space science and to ask questions about our place in the universe. Now, as these distant travelers continue drifting through the darkness, their power sources slowly diminish. Within the next decade, their instruments will eventually go silent, leaving the spacecraft to wander the stars, unmonitored and alone. Yet, even when their signals cease, their influence will echo for centuries, immortalized in textbooks, documentaries, and the hearts of those who dare to dream of distant worlds. Voyager's story is one of human perseverance. It is a shining example of what can be accomplished when ingenuity, collaboration, and imagination are united in pursuit of a common goal. Through the Voyagers, we've learned that the universe is grander and more mysterious than we ever imagined. And yet, it has also taught us something about ourselves, about our relentless curiosity and our boundless desire to explore. As we develop new missions to Mars, the moons of Jupiter, and perhaps beyond, we carry the legacy of Voyager with us. It serves as both a blueprint and a symbol, a reminder that there is always another horizon to chase, another boundary to cross, and another mystery waiting in the dark. The journey of the Voyagers continues, silently and steadfastly, through the infinite night. And as long as they drift among the stars, so too will humanity's story. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories from the frontiers of science and exploration. Thank you for watching.